world is filled with many uncertainties, and with climate change, natural disasters are increasing in intensity. Fire, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, tsunamis. We are urged to be proactive and prepare, rather than reactive and confused. So if you need help organizing and preparing for a disaster, get your downloadable Disaster Emergency Planner today. This planner comes in two formats: downloadable PDF and a digital version, which includes emergency contact forms, survival kit and first aid checklist, evacuation planner, emergency budget planner, business continuity planner, rebuilding planner, disaster drill planner, monthly and annually emergency prep form, and emergency pantry stock. As low as $20, begin making your preparations today. Be safe and be proactive.